Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget decorating. I love to clearance shop. I love to DIY. So if you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a little mini refresh of my entryway. I told you guys that this year we are going to be decorating my home and we're going to be using items that I already have. Well, one of the things I already have is paint, and what I have been thinking about is changing out the look of my doors. And I know you're thinking, Cheryl, what do you mean? So when we first moved into this house, our doors were white, and I wanted to change up the look of the doors, but I didn't want to buy all new doors. So I thought, okay, the easiest way for me to change up the look of the door is by painting them. So we painted out all of our doors black. It was Valspar New Black, which has like a bluish undertone. So I absolutely loved it. It's really not dark black, but it appears dark black. So I absolutely love it. And it's time to refresh the doors. So I was looking on Pinterest, looking for some inspiration to see, do I want to continue with the new black or go with a different color black? So I found another Valspar color, and it's called Tuxedo Black, which is a little bit darker than the black that the doors already are. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe I should go ahead and use Tuxedo Black. Because I got that to do our stairs. We're going to do a refresh of the stairs as well. And I'm going to try to do that in a budget-friendly way as well. So if you're needing some stair inspiration, make sure you subscribe. So anyway, I went to Pinterest and I was looking at different style doors, and I'm thinking, is there anything that I can do to my doors to make them look different? They have this like outline in the door, and I'm thinking, you know, I really don't like that outline. Can I make the door look different? So I'm researching that. But while I was doing that research, I ran across photos, and I'll put up the photos here, of where people had painted out the frame or the door jab, I guess that's what that's called, of their doors. And I like the way that looked. So I think I am going to start and incorporate that with my front door from the inside. So that is what we are going to work on today. We are going to be working on changing up the look of my door. I think it'll give it a more substantial feeling, a more high-end look, and we're going to do it with paint, so it's going to be budget friendly. So if you want to see how the door is going to look in the end, make sure you keep watching, and then leave me a comment down below once we're done and let me know what you think. All right, guys, so today we are back in my entryway. I decided I want to make it look a little more dramatic. So I am going to paint out the trim around the door black to give the door a larger presence in the space. So last year or the year before, we painted out and did the chair roll molding and the wainscoting. So this year we are going to add a dramatic element to the door, and hopefully it turns out well and we like it. If not, hey, it's just paint. We can paint it back. So that is what we are going to do today. So fingers crossed we like the look. All right, so I have on my paint clothes, and first thing we're going to do is wipe down the door of any dirt and grime. All right, we're gonna let that dry and then we'll come back and we'll start painting. All right, so now we're gonna start painting out the trim.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh,
All right, so this is where we are. First coat is on the door, and I think I am absolutely going to love it. It does make the door look more stately. So we are going to let this dry for about an hour, and then we will come back and put on the second coat. I also decided to paint out the credenza as well. So yeah, this is the second coat. We're going to let that dry, and then we'll come back and give it a third coat. All right, so on a whim, I decided to paint out the door hinges and the handles as well, just to see how the door would look. And I think I like it. So I think I am going to order some black handles and some black knobs. Like, I started taking off the knob over here to the powder room. See, this door needs to be touched up, but I did go ahead and change out the knob to a chunkier knob. I just want to go for a more modern aesthetic look. And this is how the knob is looking. I don't know if I like it. So I'm going to switch gears. I've ordered some black handles, and we're going to see how they look against the black door, because I absolutely love how this looks over here. So if I don't like the stainless knobs, then we can send them back and use all black. All right, so the door is now finished, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so much more substantial. I have the little paper on the window because of the light. It's still throwing off the door, but I thought you might be able to see it a little better if the window was covered up. So I did go ahead and paint out the hinges and the doorknob because I just wanted to see how it would look if I did that, and I absolutely love the look. So I have ordered some black hinges and a new handle in black to go on the door. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So now my dilemma: do I paint out the door jabs in, I think that's what they're called, and all of the other areas of my home? So as you can see, when we painted the doors black, I left the jabs white, but look how nice this looks. I don't know. It's hard to make a decision, so I'm gonna need your help. I will put up some inspiration photos of some doors that have been painted all black, including the jab, I think that's what that's called, or the door trim, molding, whatever. And I like the look, but will it be too much? Will it be overwhelming? And I took the handle off because I want to put on a black handle. I ordered some black handles, and I wanted to see how the door would look with black handles. The issue is, so here is the dilemma. My cabinet knobs or pulls are stainless. So if I change the other ones to black, it wouldn't really, I don't think, look cohesive. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So I am getting ready to do a DIY. So I cut up this cardboard for that. And then I told you I'm doing a project for the stairs. So I am changing up the stair risers. So I'll pick this up from Lowe's. So yeah, we have a bunch of home improvements coming up. All right, as you can see, now that the credenza has been painted black, it looks so much better in the space. A lot better than when we first got it from Temu. Yeah, so much nicer. It looks so much nicer here in the space. So I love it now. Before, it was just something about it that, I don't know, I just wasn't sitting right with me. But now that it's painted, I love it. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Here's the stainless handle that I bought. As you can see, it's chunky. Again, don't mind the molding because, again, this is all going to get painted for spring. So this is how the handle looks. This is how the old handle looked. And I thought it was just too traditional. Didn't really like the handles anymore. So I ordered these handles, which I think they look so much nicer. But should I leave them stainless or should I make them black? Like this. I like this. I like the black on black. So I ordered new handles from Amazon, so they will be coming in. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the door and what I should do about the handles. I would love to get your comments. So leave me some comments down below to help me decide. That's all we're gonna do today. Next, we're gonna style out this area. I'm also thinking of, do I wanna put some molding on the wall? Because right now it's just plain. Do I leave it that way or, I mean, it's not bad this way. I also thought about, do I want to do like some type of accent wall or some wallpaper here in the entryway, just to, I don't know, give it a different look from everything else in the house. I don't know. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, guys, so that is where we are going to stop today. I absolutely love the way the door looks. I hope you do as well. If today's video has inspired you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. You guys know that I'm also decorating my daughter's home. My style is very modern luxe. I use black and white with green as my accent color. Her home is more modern organic, and she likes those warmer wood tones with the creams and the beiges. So we're going to be decorating her home. So if you don't like my style necessarily, go over and check out my last video or the previous video where I have started to decorate my daughter's home for some inspiration. I'm sure you guys will love that. So we will be back at her home, I want to say in 2 weeks. Yeah, because I only go over there on the weekends to try to help decorate, and this weekend it's going to be Valentine's Day, so we can't do it this weekend, so it'll be the following week that we're back at her house. So if you want to see other styles or other decorating styles from me, make sure you subscribe so you can see what is going on over at her house. So yeah, so like I said, this is the first of the spring refresh series. With the starting here in the entryway, we're going to do some styling in the next video. So if you want to see how everything is going to turn out, like I said, make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.